Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Biohacking Nurse. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Britax baby chair. I'm so excited to open this baby chair and I can't wait to use it. Apparently it's the most advanced and safest car seat from Britax Safe and Sound yet. The new B First car seat is designed to make everyday use clear and easy, offering increased protection overall, advanced safety features, and flexibility of use. This convertible car seat is suitable from newborn to approximately 4 years old. The B First features click-tight insulation system and advanced side impact cushion technology. Click-tight insulation system brings a unique patented technology to Australia, designed to provide effortless and secure installation every time. Dealing with crash energy earlier, the advanced side impact cushion technology combines advanced safety and freedom of space. Besides the click-tight insulation system and the advanced side impact cushion technology, this seat also features rearward facing level indicator. Visual level indicator designed to aid correct rearward installation angles, full or partial visible. The level indicator offers you an optimal range during installation. So when you open the box, there's a red manual booklet for installation. Another feature is the protective shell. The enclosed shell design provides enhanced shielding to ensure the child is contained within the protective elements of the child seat, a protective barrier between the child and the vehicle. It has ventilation zones located in the rear, interior and exterior of the seat. The zones offer improved airflow and increased comfort to your child in rearward facing. It also has integrated colored belt paths, clear obvious colored visual belt paths for easier to guide seat belt installation correctly. It has improved harness adjuster to assist in the prevention of child access. The harness adjuster button is now lower and inset. It has a hassle-free harness. The frontal easy adjust headrest can be height adjust without uninstalling the seat. The Flexi Infant Comfort Insert. This cushion includes EVA composite material that provides support and protection for a small baby. Detachable wings making this cushion flexible for longer use as a seat protector or cushion pad. The Thermo 5 high performance fabric delivers premium comfort your baby deserves. So the seat rear-facing is from birth to 2 to 3 years old, and sitting forward-facing would be 12 months to 4 years old. It has that easy access when installing the baby seats. But it's always good for a approved installer to install your car seat. We normally go to Baby Bunting to get our seat fitted, as it is a legal requirement in Australia to get those baby seat fitted in your car. On the back you can easily adjust the seats. You can also see the ventilated zones in the back for that airflow. And on the side it's also got the instructions. So this car seat cost about $699, but I think we got it on a special price during a sale. Let me know what you think about this car seat and if it's a good value, since it can start from 0 to 4 years old. And this is why we bought this car seat, because we can have it for 4 years, as well as it has that extra protection. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you on the next one.